लेट यू गो. इतने सारे लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, ये नंबर्स बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं. मैं एक दो फैन क्वेश्चंस लूंगी, नहीं तो भाई सब मेरी बहुत पिटाई करेंगे कि क्या है हम इतनी देर से देख रहे हैं, नॉट टेकिंग एनी फैन क्वेश्चंस. Okay, let me take this. Okay. When will Gulki marry? Gulk's fan. Okay, I'm just reading all that. अभी से शादी क्यों करा रहे हो यार?
As soon as you find the right man. Simple.
Let me just. Yeah, that's a good answer. Okay, let me just. I'm trying to find a question because there's so many. People are writing, love you so much.
Oh, I love
so
you
sweet
too.
and nice person. Beautiful women. And all that. अच्छा, मेरे लिए भी थोड़ी सी तारीफ. वाह, Gulki, because of you, some तारीफ is spilled here. Okay, how was your experience? Where is the question? This is by Gulki Fantasy World. How was your experience shooting for your character in Sabka Sai? You pretty much touched upon it, but you know, just because this is something away from what you've already done, what was the experience like?
It was a very different experience. मतलब एक तो इस तरह की इतने लेवल की डिटेलिंग मैंने जो है पहले कभी नहीं देखी है. मतलब मुझे याद है वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ हार्ड टाइम कि सेफ्टी पिन नहीं दिखनी चाहिए और बालों की पिन नहीं दिखनी चाहिए. And the kajal that I wear shouldn't look like the kajal that we wear today. It should be जैसे वो जो उस टाइम का जो अगर कुछ लोकल किसी चीज से बनाया हुआ जो काजल है वो वैसा दिखना चाहिए. And the whole you know getting into the body language and the way she talks और वो किस तरह की बात करेगी, कितना हिंदी कितना मराठी में उसमें एक्सेंट आना चाहिए और you know वो जो nitty-gritties है वो सब समझने में थोड़ा सा वक्त लगा. But it was very interesting. मतलब हम जब तैयार व्यार होके मैं जब सेट पे पहुंची थी मुझे लगता है हाँ मैं वहीं पहुंच गई हूँ. I'm not in 2020 anymore.
That's right. I mean, that speaks volumes about how professional the set is actually, and they want to be true to the times, which is very, very important. That's really cool.
Yeah. Okay. It was a lovely experience.
Okay, this is by Zines64. What did you choose to be? Okay, why did you actually go ahead and choose Hasina Malik's character? I believe that's what the question says in Madam Sir. Like, what really brought you to saying yes as an actor? What did you like about Hasina Malik?
Honestly, I don't think I chose Hasina Malik. I think Hasina Malik chose me. And what I loved about the character was कि मैंने इस तरह का शांत, संभ्रांत, composed, you know, balanced character कभी नहीं किया है. हमेशा मैंने मेरे जैसे character किए हैं. You know, chirpy and bubbly and outspoken. Even Kajri to some extent is a lot like me. कि वो अपना काम शिद्दत से करती है, तो तुम उसको जबरदस्ती परेशान करोगे तो वो घुसा मार देगी. So which is very much like me. But Hasina Malik was very different. She has all the strength, all the power, all the authority in the world, but she chooses a time and place to show it or not show it. That calculation of the character was something that took a long time for me to grasp. क्योंकि बहुत सिचुएशन ऐसी होती है जिसमें गुल्की would say कि अरे क्या प्रॉब्लम है तुझे, but Hasina Malik would say कि relax, sit down, we'll talk about it. तो वो बहुत मेरे लिए चैलेंजिंग था, वो ग्राफ को संभाल कर चलना. I think that's the reason, that's the thing that hooked me on.
Now, there's so many messages. One of this is from Pakistan. This is one of your fans from Pakistan. She wants to know this. Wow. I mean, you have people who view you from across the world. So she wants to send you letters from Pakistan. Since we're talking about love letters and all, this is very interesting that she says she wants to send you letters. How can she do that? And she really wants to meet you. This is Hiba. What would you like to say to Hiba?
Hiba, first of all, thank you so much for all your love. But आप प्लीज बाबू इतनी मेहनत मत करो लेटर भेजने की. आप जो है दिल से मुझे बोलो, मेरे दिल तक पहुंच जाएगा.
How sweet, how sweet. This is by Sirjan Singh Bhatia. How can one do better acting? He wants to know, like, whatever. What are your go-tos? What do you actually look at when you prep as an actor for a role? What is Gulki's preparation like when you get into the skin of a character?
My preparation is, of course, first of all, it's extremely important to understand the writer and the director's vision. तो 50% काम तो आपका वहीं हो जाता है, because जिन लोगों ने इस कैरेक्टर को, इस कहानी को कंसीव किया है, उनसे बेहतर और कौन आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है। तो एक बार उनका क्या है और वो किस तरह से इसको देखते हैं वो समझ में आ जाए, हाफ द बैटल इज डन। अदर देन दैट, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंटरक्शंस एंड आई एम अ वेरी, मैं बहुत बोर करने वाली एक्टर हूँ, मैं बहुत सवाल करती हूँ। some people like that, some people don't like that, बट मैं बहुत सवाल करती हूँ कि अच्छा ये क्यों किया, इसकी जगह ये क्यों नहीं कहा। सो दैट्स हाउ, सवाल कर करके और सोच सोच के, और कि अच्छा ये अगर ये अभी ये ऐसे बोल रही है तो हो सकता है कुछ सालों पहले उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा जिस वजह से आज ये इस चीज को लेकर चिड़ी है। यू नो, द लिटिल थिंग्स दैट हैपन इन आवर लाइफ एज वेल। कि आज अगर मुझे किसी लड़की ने छेड़ा है और मैंने उसको घुमा के तमाचा मारा है जिसकी शायद इतनी जरूरत नहीं थी, वो हो सकता है इसलिए क्योंकि पहले 5 लोगों ने बहुत बार छेड़ा और मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाई, डर गई, सहम गई। यू नो, स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक दैट। So why the character is the way it is right now has a long story behind it. So my thing is to know the story behind it. नहीं है अगर कुछ खाली है बीच में तो उसको कुछ अपना क्रिएट कर लो। बट द मोर जितना भरा हुआ वो बैक स्टोरी होता है उतना आसान और नेचुरल हो जाता है टू प्ले इट, फिर बहुत मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती।
That's a very interesting point that you made there. I mean, mark of a good actor again. Okay, why did this response did not? Okay, there's someone. Okay, Tushika Lover Star. What is your favorite from Madam Sir? Who is your favorite? I believe she wants to ask. Or what about Madam Sir do you like a lot from Madam Sir? And what is it about the show that you like a lot? I'm not able to load the question somehow, but yeah, that's a question by Tuhika.
अच्छा,
तुशिका,
मैडम सर की सबसे अच्छी चीज मुझे लगती है इज माय टीम। आई हैव अ फैंटास्टिक टीम, दे आर लाइक फैमिली नाउ। other shows I don't watch, other shows I don't get time, sorry. And I just love the whole this thing of Madam Sir की बहुत हल्के फुल्के तरीके से आप बहुत गहरी और सेंसिटिव बात जो है बता देते हो और लोगों को समझा देते हो। I like the whole light-hearted way of giving away an important and a serious message.
Okay, nice. Very interesting way to put it again. And so many requests of you to say one dialogue as Hasina Malik. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे messages आ रहे हैं और उस question box में भी यही सारे messages. So before I end this interview, one dialogue that you like, as you know, from because Madam Sir के fans यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं. So what would you say?
Okay. So तजुर्बा कहता है हमारा कि आप सबको जो है 26 अगस्त को देखना चाहिए सबका साई on MX Player.
That's very nice. Interesting plan.
देखा मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कैसे सब मिक्स कर दिया।
Cool. You're super cool, Gulki. I loved having this chat with you. It was really interesting. I loved every bit of it. Thank you so much for doing this and all the best.
Thank you so much, Greg. It was lovely talking to you as well.